love angel food cake and have always wanted to make it at home. So I got the Wilton Angel Food Tube Cake Pan just for this purpose. This pan is perfectly designed. It has the stand so you can tip it upside down and it will help the cake cool perfectly. And then it has the tube in the middle, and that is what helps the cake cook evenly throughout. And finally, it is super durable and the cake will stick to the sides, which you want with angel food cake as that helps the cake rise. So I mixed it up, put it in. Again, this is my first attempt ever, so there's always room for improvement, but it was so easy to add it into the cake pan. And I put it on a baking pan, but it actually didn't need it. It all stayed in the cake pan. Once I pulled it out, I was able to tip it over and let it cool for 2 hours upside down so it would stay light and airy. And here it is. I'm going to take it out of the cake pan now, which is actually quite easy to do. Just pop that down. And if for any reason the cake had fallen, it would have held on its center tube. And I'm going to cut it off that bottom stand. Really quite easy to do. And then I'll just flip it on over. Now, it's not the prettiest, but the family loved it and I loved it. And I can't wait to make it again. All thanks to the Wilton Angel Tube Cake Pan.